So now it's about print probably already like 2 millimeters, and you can hear all the noise, but it's not going up anymore. That's it, the machine done. The print is pretty bad, and if you look at the motor, you can hear the noise, and it's gonna start stuttering in a second, and it will not have enough power to lift. It's like if the motor is too weak. I did adjust it from here, from the Z-axis, and it did not do anything. So right now it's literally touching the surface, but it's not going up. This thing is not actually lifting. It's keep going the backward forward, but not going up. It's not doing the rotation it needs. So now the nozzle is touching, and actually the sensor, the proximity sensor, is actually crashing on the print because it cannot go up. I'm already dealing with it with couple months. Nobody on any of the forum know what to do with it. I think it's a bad complete system. Also, this thing from time to time just give you weird question marks and weird signs that it's not in any language, it's just not working. And right now the machine, the entire machine is shaking like crazy, and everything is balanced pretty good.